In this video, we are going to deal with the first practical of CSS. So this is the page that we have designed for the first practical. In order to see the code, right-click anywhere on this web page and click on the option View Page Source from the menu. Once you click on that, the source code for that particular page will be visible. I will maximize this for you. Here you can see that we started writing the code with doc type HTML. Then we have the first tag, which is HTML, and then head. Inside the head, we have given the next tag, which is style. Style tag is used where we will provide all the CSS related information for that particular web page that we have designed. Now here you can see that we started the style tag here and we have closed the style tag up here if you are following my mouse pointer. Inside this particular style tag, we have said that the body content will have the background color as light blue, and the heading tag that we have used h1, that will have the color as white, and it should be aligned in the center. Likewise, we have a paragraph tag inside the body tag, and there the font style will be this one and the font size will be this one. And once we have given all the details that should be applicable to our HTML document, we have closed the style tag and we have closed the head, and then we have started the body tag. Inside the body tag, you can see that we have given the first heading h1 and a paragraph. And so here what is happening is, for h1 it will pick the details from this area, that the color will be white and it should be aligned to the center. So if you look at the output of this particular program, so here you can see that the content that we wrote inside the h1 heading was my first CSS example, and here this is the content, my first CSS example. It is heading 1 and aligned center. Likewise, we have used a paragraph tag where we have said this is a paragraph, and here you can see that this is a paragraph is displayed as an output on this side. And for the paragraph tag, it is taking the font style from here and font size from here.